Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving from May's Happy Table and Britt Simone. Guys, we got a little treat for you today, a little special edition from Britt Simone. This is her first time cooking a Thanksgiving dinner on her own. Guys, I cannot tell you how proud I am of her, and didn't realize how much she was watching me in the kitchen and how much she knew and how little I had to tell her. Because she got up this morning and she was already down in the kitchen. Some of the dishes that she had did herself, when I got up out the bed, she already had prepared. But I will turn it over to you guys and let Brittany come to you in her own way, explaining her first experience with cooking a full Thanksgiving meal as to what she wanted or we wanted on her own. And once again, happy Thanksgiving, guys, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I hope to be back soon making videos for you guys. I love you guys.
All right, everyone. Like she said, happy Thanksgiving to you all. Hope you're doing well. And yes, this was my first time making the Thanksgiving meal by myself. I did have some instruction from my mother, but for the most part, I cooked it all by myself. And I just want to show y'all our tablescape real quick. We got Tom Turkey over here sitting in the center. And we just got some cute little, festive things, napkins and bowls and plates and such. What was I about to tell y'all? I drew a blank. Okay, well, right here we have some turkey gravy. This is some pepper sauce that my mother made. I'm gonna start over here with the classic. Now, I ain't cooked this, y'all. This came out of can. Y'all, this is, the classic cranberry sauce. We have some mashed potatoes. And it's just me, my mom, and my dad, y'all. So we didn't cook a lot. This is just enough for the three of us. Probably actually a little bit more than for the three of us. But, everybody likes Thanksgiving leftovers. So we got some mashed potatoes. And I know some people say mashed potatoes is not a Thanksgiving side dish. Yes, it is. Mashed potatoes. We got a sweet potato pie. This is a corn casserole. I love, 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 love corn casserole, y'all. I think there's a video of this on my mother's channel. There's again Tom Turkey looking a little sideways, but there he is. This is the mac and cheese. Now, this is the single lady mac and cheese with the cream of mushroom that is on my mother's channel. This was one of the first videos that I put up on my mother's channel about 6 years ago. It has like 55,000 views. So if you want to know how I made that, just go back to that video. And here is some turkey wings. Again, it's just the three of us, so no need for a big turkey or a big ham. We just had some turkey wings. And I baked those in the oven. Here is our dressing. So you got some turkey wings on top of the dressing. And again, there's videos of this on my mother's channel. Pretty sure there's videos of everything here on my mother's channel. And the piece de resistance, my favorite thing, the thing I always look forward to for any holiday meal, is the collard greens. These are my mom's famous fried collard greens. I think this video has like over 2 million views on her channel. So if you want to know how I made these, go look at that video. And I made them just like she does in the video. And yeah, I made them myself, y'all. So I'm pretty proud of them. And this is essentially our Thanksgiving meal, guys. Pretty traditional, pretty simple, and just enough for 3 people. And I hope y'all are enjoying your Thanksgiving. I hope y'all have a great time with your families and festivities. And if y'all decide to go out and about, that you stay safe. And remember what May always tells you. Think positive. Use your common sense. And remember that May loves you. See y'all in the next video. Bye.